Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today I'll be walking you through the NXT20. The NXT20 is perfect for families boating on size-restricted lakes. If you don't necessarily need a large boat, but still want best-in-class wave-shaping abilities, premium comfort, and room for 12, the NXT20 was made for you. The NXT20 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system. From steep and barreling to long and mellow, simply select a preset and the NXT20 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. Plus, the NXT20 delivers a premium experience behind the boat, whether you're surfing or wakeboarding or even foiling. It's a very balanced performer. And new for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Say goodbye to surf right and surf left. We've upgraded our surf software on the NXT family for 2024 to give riders more customization. The NXT20 now has 3 rapid surf wave options on each side to cater for all skill levels. The NXT20 comes with the option of a pop-up ski pylon for even more fun behind the boat. It makes it easy to hook up a tube, and you'll love that it easily raises and lowers with one small twist. Quality and comfort continues once inside the NXT20. With seating for up to 12 people, the NXT20 cockpit still provides plenty of space, under-seat storage, and a built-in cooler location for your whole crew. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those darker vinyl options that fit best for your custom design. We've got you covered. New for 2024, the NXT20 now comes standard with our advanced audio package. 4 speakers and a subwoofer are spread throughout the boat for high-quality acoustic entertainment. A second subwoofer can be added under the helm area for an even better experience. The NXT20 comes equipped with MasterCraft's Z6 tower. The Z6 tower comes standard with easy-to-use redesigned clamping board racks. Option for silver or black racks to customize your tower and tie it into your design. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards, the most storage in the industry. To enhance your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Lastly, the tower speakers can be upgraded to our new M80 cans featuring 8.5-inch drivers, a new offering for the 2024 model year. New for 2024, the NXT20 has a completely refreshed dash for an amazing experience behind the wheel. An intuitive 7-inch touchscreen display replaces our previous 4.3-inch display. This really elevates the entire helm experience. With an updated SurfStar interface, NXT20 captains now have visual surf wave graphics and wave controls built into the dash. Plus, the NXT20 dash now has integrated music controls, eliminating the need for separate radio controls. And all boat controls are also built into the new display, giving the captain full control of everything they need in one place. Captains now have a standard wireless phone charger in the NXT20 helm to keep their phone full of power. And you can add 4 additional wireless chargers in the cockpit for your whole crew. The NXT20 comes standard with Telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The Telematics box installed in your NXT20 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with all your service needs. And new for 2024, digital switching is integrated into Telematics, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The pickle fork bow of the NXT20 provides plenty of lounging room and under-seat storage. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The NXT20 is handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive and undoubtedly the best on-water experience there is. With the NXT20, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and opt for a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with premium companies to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor, a brand that's famous for hand-building race car engines, is the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft, meaning MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusion. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the NXT20. Whether you're new to boating or looking for an upgrade, the NXT20 is perfect for those that are wanting a smaller towboat without compromise. To learn more about the NXT20, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.